Welcome! This is a quick guide to using ImageFX Bulk Generator, the Chrome extension that automates your image generation workflow on Google ImageFX. After installing the extension, refresh your ImageFX page to load the sidebar. Once loaded, you'll see the Bulk Generator panel on the right side of your screen. To get started, paste or import your prompts into the extension. Important, click into ImageFX's main prompt box so the extension can detect the input field. Now you're ready. Hit the Start button to begin automatic generation. While running, you can pause the process at any time, resume when ready, or stop completely. By default, all 4 image variations are automatically downloaded, but you can disable this if you prefer manual downloads. You can also adjust the waiting time between each prompt to match your needs. The queue status section shows you exactly where you are, which prompt is currently running, how many are done, and how many are left to process. For organization, set a custom folder name for each session. Your images will be saved to Downloads, ImageFX, then your custom folder name. And that's it. You're now ready to automate your image generation workflow. Visit the Chrome Web Store to download ImageFX Bulk Generator and start saving time today.